how can you start a business with no money? I'm going to show you that in this video. One word, drop shipping.
You and I, Bonnie and Clyde, my number one baby, my rhythm and blues.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Most people these days are making money online in their sleep. That's very clever, and I can show you how, because a lot of these people are making money from zero. So how can you start a business with no money? I'm going to show you that in this video. Very simply, one word, drop shipping. So let me explain the word drop shipping to you. Drop shipping is very simple. You put products online, you market them, people purchase them, the money comes into your account, you buy it from the supplier, and you get them to ship it directly to your buyer's address. It just comes as it's coming from you, from the manufacturer. Very, very simple 6 steps. But this is why you can start drop shipping without a single penny. And there's a little trick to this. Obviously there are different payment options, but if you turn off all the other payment options, but only leave on PayPal, and that's what I do. PayPal will still take payments like anything else. It will take any credit card payments, it will take any normal payments. The one thing you get from PayPal is the fact that PayPal will give you the money straight away. The money will be in your bank account the moment someone pays. This allows you to then pay for it directly from your manufacturer. That's why dropshipping is a no-brainer. And this is why you don't need money to start it. Yes, you need, I think it's about $20 or so on a monthly recurring cost for your dropshipping website. But with the solutions and the tools in which I'm recommending and I'm explaining, you should really be able to be making money from your first month, right? Which means that technically you don't have any costs associated, but you might need to commit to paying $29 at the end of the month. Very straightforward, you know? So this is why I say that you can start a business with no money today, and this is how a lot of people are making money. So once you've got that all sorted out, it's very straightforward, and I'll do a video next if you guys want me to and you're interested in this from this video. I'll do a video on the actual process of drop shipping. So actually showing the back end of Shopify and how that plugs into everything else. Showing the tools like Orbello, which is very crucial. So you need probably about 4 tools. Orbello, the Shopify platform. You need something called Campaign Monitor. That's what I recommend. It's an online system that allows you to send emails to all your customers and also allows you to do a lot of these automation I was talking about. OmniSend as well is one. It's a new one that's come up. I'm still reviewing it. But so far it's great for the live view. Once anyone goes onto my website, it tells me who they are. Not who they are, but it gives them a unique identification number, and it allows me to see how that person's been on my site, irrespective of having their details. So if I don't have their email or their number, I have a unique number that says this is the same person that came last time, and they came from this place, and this is what they did, this is what they did. So I can still understand people's journeys, and that's really important, because when I was mentioning about conversion rate optimization is really all about being able to ensure that when people come, they buy more, basically. Thank you very much. Let me know how you get on with your dropshipping websites, and let me know if you have any questions for me personally. I'll be more than happy to help. Please leave your comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Boom. See you later.
You and I, Bonnie and Clyde, my number one baby, my rhythm and blues.